I guess my question is what did you need help from Eastman Cartwright Home, and what made you call us?
Well, our realtor, Anna Hawes, suggested you immediately after we purchased it, and we actually came in to Eastman Cartwright that exact same day and started the process. Basically, a place to start, a vision that goes along with our vision of what we wanted as our final house and what we wanted in it. To me, it really created a space that we love. I mean, we were able to do things that we wanted to do. We do watch a lot of the HGTV and stuff like that, so I mean, we have a lot of ideas. You just have to use your own judgment of what you want to do, or the vision that you have to create the areas that you want to be. So, yes.
Or finishes. I didn't know anything about finishes or going for knobs and handles and flooring.
Absolutely love
everything we had.
Everything that we did, the different areas and the different looks of